Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dance and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers: 9, 37, 27 and 3. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, which we can follow to solve the given expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part first after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out the division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. So, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve bracket. So, we have here two brackets, which is this one. First, we will solve this one. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and divided by 3 plus give the reference 3 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now move forward to solve the bracket number 2, this one, which is 5 plus 3, and we will write this part as it is. So 5 plus 3 equals to 8. And here we will give the reference 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Now move forward. We have solved all the bracket. Now we will go. If you see the BODMAS rule, so you have to solve the exponent part. So in our expression, we do not have any exponent part. So we will move forward to solve the step number 3, division and multiplication. So first of all, we will go left to right and find out which operation is coming. So first we have the multiplication. So first we will fill this one. 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. 3 5 are 15. And this part I will write as it is. Now 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 50. Now move forward. Again we will go left to right and find out, solve this division, because now this is coming first. So 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. And this part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Now move forward again left to right in our expression and find out the multiplication and division. So now we have the multiplication. So we will write 5 plus and 4 is the 32. Now we will give the reference here 4 multiplied by 8 equals to 32. Now move forward. We have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 37. The answer of the given expression is 37. If you see the answer list, answer B is the correct answer. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.